We are back and we are playing with some power tools again today. Our Ryobi little pressure cleaner. Okay, so we've got a beautiful Patio set here that we are saving from the dumpster. We are going to be cleaning it first, and then we're going to touch up all the rust spots with some block and tackle. We're going to leave it for a few days. And then you are welcome to help us choose some bright, exciting colors. So comment below and give us some ideas as to what you would like us to do with this set. I've got my helper Danny here. Are you ready, Danny?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, so we've got a little soap attachment here. We're going to wash it off with some sunlight soap now. Give it a good scrub. Okay, go for it. Okay, so we've washed it off. I'm giving it one last rinse just to get all the soap off. And when we are done, we are going to give it a little block and tackle at all the spots where it's rusting. Leave it for a few days and then we're going to start painting.